Tonight we turn our attention to something so familiar that we rarely stop to consider how extraordinary it truly is. Above us, suspended in the darkness, is the moon. A companion to Earth for billions of years. It has illuminated the nights of our ancestors, governed the rhythm of the oceans, and quietly shaped the evolution of life itself. And yet, despite its constant presence, the moon remains, in many ways, an enigma. For the moon is not quite what we might expect. In the vastness of the solar system, moons are common. They circle planets in countless forms, small, irregular, captured fragments of stone and ice. But Earth's moon is different. It is unusually large. So large, in fact, that the Earth and Moon together form something closer to a paired system than a simple planet and satellite. Their gravitational relationship is intimate, ancient, and profoundly consequential. And then there is its placement. The Sun, a star of immense scale, is 400 times wider than the Moon. And yet, by an astonishing coincidence of distance, the Moon is also 400 times closer. From our vantage point on Earth, the two appear almost exactly the same size in the sky. And so, the universe grants us eclipses, moments of perfect alignment, when day is briefly transformed into twilight, and the heavens reveal their geometry with exquisite precision. It is difficult not to feel that such symmetry carries a kind of meaning. For thousands of years, human beings have sensed this. The Sumerians watched the moon with reverence, weaving it into the architecture of their earliest calendars. To them, it was not merely an object, but a presence, an instrument of time itself. The Maya, with astonishing astronomical sophistication, tracked its cycles and eclipses with meticulous care. The moon became a clock not only of months, but of ritual, harvest, and destiny. And in ancient Greece, philosophers spoke of the moon as a boundary, a threshold between the imperfect world below and the eternal heavens beyond. Again and again, across continents and centuries, the moon was not treated as incidental. It was treated as essential. And science, too, reveals its essential nature. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, moderating the seasons. It drives the tides, stirring the oceans in ceaseless motion. Its gravitational influence reaches into the biology of countless species, quietly shaping rhythms of life. Without the moon, Earth would be a very different world, perhaps even an unrecognizable one. And yet, its origin remains one of the great unresolved stories of planetary science. The leading theory suggests a colossal impact in Earth's distant past, a collision so immense that it reshaped our planet and cast debris into orbit, which slowly gathered into the moon. A violent beginning, followed by unimaginable calm. But even within this explanation, mysteries endure. Why is the moon so large? Why does it orbit with such stability? Why does it show us only one face, forever turned toward Earth, while its far side remained hidden from all human history until the space age? And then, during the Apollo missions, when instruments struck the lunar surface, the moon responded in an unexpected way. It vibrated, and the vibrations lingered. Scientists described it with a phrase that captured the world's imagination. The moon rang like a bell. Of course, there are natural explanations. The moon is dry, rigid, and seismic waves travel through it differently than through Earth. But still, one cannot help but feel the strangeness of it. A silent world, resonating. So tonight, as we stand beneath its pale light, we are left with a question that is as old as humanity itself. Is the moon simply a remarkable accident of cosmic history? Or does it remain, even now, a mystery we have not yet fully understood? The moon has watched over every civilization, every ocean, every dream ever dreamed beneath the night sky. And perhaps it still holds secrets, waiting patiently to be uncovered. If you found yourself looking at the moon a little differently tonight, share your thoughts below. And if you wish to continue exploring the great mysteries of our universe, where science meets deep history and wonder, consider subscribing. Because the cosmos is vast, and our questions have only just begun.